Holy moly. There we go. We made it. Oh man, you got soaked.
Yeah, I'm alright. But I'm warm though.
You're warm? You're fine?
Yeah.
Holy shoot. All right, well, we call this Hallelujah Rock. Oh man. Oh, come on, we gotta catch something now.
Yeah.
Be careful, man. Just be real careful on the rocks. All right guys, so we're out here, we're fishing the Potomac. We're gonna see what we catch. Big cats, blue cats are out here, channel cats of course, but the scenery, beautiful guys, not too far from the airport, so you guys see the airplane up there. But yeah guys, so we're gonna see what we can hook into. This is what Andrew hooks into. Hopefully he catches something good or I catch something good and we'll get right to it guys. You're gonna catch a big cat? Come on man, I got faith in you, I believe in you Andrew. All right, guys, so hopefully we catch something, man. I just want to get the skunk off of me, right? More than anything, we don't want to get skunked. Andrew, you want to tell them what kind of fish we're targeting?
Catfish, bass, whatever.
Here we go to wrap everything up, man. Lunchtime. Oh, I always say the lunch of champions.
Yeah.